Good morning to one and all. My name is Sachinarayana. Uh, this is various degree college online classes. Today we are going to discuss about the fourth semester, second year physics, thermal radiation and physics. Thermal radiation physics we are discussing in fourth semester. In this thermal radiation and physics, kinetic theory of gases is the first unit and thermodynamics is the second unit. Third unit is thermodynamic potential and Maxwell's equations, and the fourth unit is low temperature physics. Finally, fifth unit is quantum theory of radiation. So today we are going to discuss about the topic is thermodynamics. Why? Because this topic is very important. This is the basic thing of thermodynamics and radiation. So now we are going to discuss about the topic is thermodynamics. So thermodynamics. Now see what is the basics in thermodynamics. Before going to thermodynamics, we need to understand some terms. That is, first one is system. What is system? What is system? A system is defined as quantity of matter bounded is called quantity of matter. This one is matter is bounded by any closed surface is called, once again, a quantity of matter in any closed surface area is called system. Okay, system, and this outer side of the system is system, no? System. This is outside of the system is known as surroundings. What is this? Surroundings. Surroundings, and this is the boundary of system and surroundings. So this is the system, boundary of system, and this one is surroundings. సో ఎందుకు మనం ఇవి డిస్కస్ చేస్తామంటే ఏదైనా సిస్టమ్ తీసుకుంటే సిస్టమ్ లోపల ఉండేది మనం దాని యొక్క ప్రాపర్టీస్ ఎలా చేంజ్ అవుతాయంటే సరౌండింగ్స్ బేస్ చేసుకుని. సో ఈ సరౌండింగ్స్ ఆల్రెడీ మీకు తెలుసు. థర్మోడైనమిక్స్ అంటే ఏం చెప్తుందంటే థర్మోడైనమిక్స్ ఇస్ ద బ్రాంచ్ ఆఫ్ ఫిజిక్స్ విచ్ డీల్స్ విత్ ద హీట్ అండ్ వర్క్. It deals with heat and work. That means thermodynamics is a branch of physics which converts the heat energy to mechanical energy. So in this one part, system is the first part. Already we learned. Now only I told you. So what is system? Any matter contained in a closed surface area is called system. So remaining outer side of the system is called surroundings of a system. Now next term is surroundings over, no? So thermal equilibrium. What is thermal equilibrium? So thermal equilibrium is defined as when consider two or more bodies said to be in equilibrium condition, no heat is exchanging between them. So first suppose consider two or more systems or bodies, three bodies considering A, B, C. These three bodies are neither gaining of heat or losing of heat. That means no heat is exchanging of any bodies. Then these three systems or bodies are in equilibrium condition. Understood? Thermal equilibrium condition. thermal equilibrium. So equilibrium types, so many types. Why? Because here thermal equilibrium we are calling. So why? Because heat is not does not changes of these three systems. Next, energy does not change means energy thermal equilibrium. So that is the equilibrium condition. So next, basic is what is temperature, what is heat. What is heat? Heat is the form of energy which is flows from hotter body to cold body. Heat is the form of energy, or it is transfer from hot body to cold body, which is transferred from hot body to cold body. So heat. Next definition is temperature. Next definition, temperature. So temperature is the measure of hotness or coldness. Simply measure of hotness or coldness. So we are defining, we are calibrating heat is nothing but calorimetry, and now this is the basic things. Next, one more definition is there, work done of a system. So work done actually defined as consider any body. This is body, or another ways. So this is the one body. A force act on it. A force, a fist act on it. It will displace some distance. It will displace some distance. This is the distance or displacement. Displace the some distance. Force is acting on the system. Then it is displaced some distance or displaced. Then work is defined as W. Work is equal to F dot S. This is the work done. Okay, so simply we are defined as work is equal to force into displacement. Next definition is basics are over in this. Now we are entering our main syllabus. So in thermodynamics, our first term is syllabus. First term is adiabatic thermal process and isothermal process. We are discussing now isothermal process. Iso means thermal process. So iso means constant, thermal means temperature. So isothermal means constant temperature, means in any reaction or any work temperature is constant, remaining three variables: volume, pressure, temperature. In this gas variables, temperature is constant and remaining V and the pressure. V means volume. Okay, so V and P are changes. P means pressure, T means temperature. So temperature is constant and V and P is changes. So isothermal process obeys the Boyle's law. What is Boyle's law? Boyle's law states that at constant temperature, volume is directly proportional to the pressure. Okay, so this is the at constant. So Vp is equal to constant Vp. This is the Boyle's law. Vp is equal to constant at temperature T. Now isothermal process is completed. In this next one, adiabatic process. adiabatic process. In adiabatic process, heat is constant. Remaining terms are changes. Only heat energy is constant. Temperature, volume, pressure are changes except heat. Heat is constant. So adiabatic process does not obey the Boyle's law. So PV or VP V or PV power gamma is equal to constant. So this equation obeys the adiabatic process. Now what is gamma here? Gamma means gamma is equal to Cp by Cv. So what is Cp? What is Cv? Cp means specific heat at constant pressure, specific heat at constant volume. This is ratio of specific heat of constant pressure and specific heat of constant volume is defined as nu. Okay, so this is nu. Understood? So what is the equation in isothermal process? Work done in isothermal process and adiabatic process we are discussing now. So see, in isothermal process, work done equation we are discussing now. So consider any curve of isothermal process. So this is graph and this is volume and this is pressure. Point A, point B. Here, consider any small area in this graph. A dash, B dash, this one C dash, D dash, this one C dash, this one D dash. This is a D point. This is C point. So we are considering this part of this graph. Now here volume, this is the P1, this is, otherwise this is P2, take this one, this P1, this one is volume P1, this one P2, okay. Now small change work done equation is work done is equal to pressure into work done is equal to PdV. So here work done I want work done is nothing but here displacing some distance now. So that is dV. And the pressure does not changes in this small change there, but that is considered as constant. So we are taking pressure into dV up to where this point to this point. So this one is V1 considered as V1 V2. So it is V1 to V2 work done I want V1 to V2 PdV. So here integration total I want now, that's why integration. So W is equal to integral PdV. Now P is constant now. So P V1 V2 P into dV. So already we know that ideal gas equation. So consider 1 mole of ideal gas equation now. 1 mole of ideal gas. What is ideal gas equation? PV is equal to nRT. So now considering 1 mole of ideal gas, that means we can replace N by 1. So PV is equal to 1 into RT. So I want P here. So take P is equal to RT by V. V is multiplying here, dividing. So P is equal to RT by V. Now this P value substitute here, then we will get W is equal to V1 to V2 PD. P means RT by V dV. Here RT constant, no? So W is equal to RT constant, no? So keep RT outside. So now V1 to V2 into 1 by 3 dV. So W is equal to RT constant. Now apply the derivative. 1 by V derivative, not derivative, anti-derivative. Anti-derivative is nothing but 1 by V anti-derivative is nothing but integration. So integration is nothing. Integration of 1 by V is log V. So up to where to where? This one V1 to V2. Now take W is equal to RT into log, substitute the limits, log of V2 minus log of V1. First substitute the upper limit and next lower limit. Then W is equal to RT into log of. So this one we can write log A minus log E means log A by B formula. So we can write like this V2 by V1. W is equal to RT into log of V2 by V1. So this is the base E and this is the common logarithm. So we can convert into natural logarithm. Base replace n. So we can replace RT into. So this we have to replace RT. This one 2.303 into log base 10 V2 by V1. So that is equal to, so this constant, so 2.303 into RT into log of V2 by V1 is the work done in a isothermal process. So this is the equation of work done in a isothermal process. Once so next work done in a adiabatic process. So work done in a adiabatic process we are discussing. Same as this work. So again work done W is equal to adiabatic process. Integration same now. So V1 to V2 P V V. But here in adiabatic process, no, that's why change this one. Adiabatic thermal process. Adiabatic thermal process. So I want adiabatic thermal process in work done equation. So W is equal to integral V1 to V2 into PdV. Now in this what is adiabatic process? Equation PV power gamma is equal to constant or PV power, I will write here because what adjustment is the major factor. So W is equal to integration V1 V2 PdV. So in adiabatic process PV power another way, or dV power gamma is equal to constant. Okay, so now again same process. I want P here, P value. So constant means PV power gamma is equal to, take some K constant means. So now I want P here, P is equal to K by 1 by V power gamma. Now this value replace in this equation, we will get what? W is equal to integral V1 to V2. P means, here P means K by V power gamma dV. So next W is equal to integration V1 to V2. K is constant, no? So kept outside. Now 1 by V power gamma means V power minus gamma dV. Now work done W is equal to, so this is x power n format, integral x power n format. No, what is the integral x power n format? X power n plus 1 and n plus 1 after by x. Don't apply plus c. Now this format, as this format we can write like this. So work done W is equal to K into V1 to V2. आपने लेंगे ओके सर,
टाइम देगा
हाँ हाफ एंड सर
हाँ 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 पेंट सर